Today I introduce my sisters to a dress model. And then there's the dress with the material. Silk cloth is here. There's a middle-aged heart neck. If you wear it, it will be beautiful. And this hand will pull out the breast at the bottom, a little light. And this dress is 90 degrees wide. Now we're going to go design together for this dress. Well, in order to design this dress, my sisters need to be prepared. The measurement. There must always be a measurement. I sent the recipe to my sisters. A measurement of neck, chest, waist, and waist length. And then we're going to get this measurement across our shoulders. Neck, bust, waist, butt, waist length, and hip length. The black measurement next to this AI also has, but it will change according to different shapes. Then you will start. For the first step, I'll take the length of the part. Top dress. Depending on your preference, you will take the length different. After getting the length, then we're going to take the shoulder piece. This shoulder is the shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. You took over 16. Down to 4, you'll get her. Dividing 30 by 5 is equal to 6. Connect in. If we lower the chest, we will take the chest. Divide by 5 sisters plus 2. Well, the boobs here are 80 divided by 5 plus 2, were 18. 18, I took it down. And then we build a perpendicular line across it. Then I'll take it across my chest. Divide 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took across to 2. Then I took it from top to bottom. Give me a paragraph that is equal to 35 is lower waist. Then you will take the waist. Divide 4 plus 2. So 6, 4, 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. Then I'm going to take it down and lower my hip to 18. And then you take it by the hip. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. I got 21. Then you can connect this. We're going to paint the dress. In this part, you reduce the fuel year. And when we're done, we will make a perpendicular line. Backward 2. Split in 2. If we split it in half, we'll draw the armpit ring. And this neck is Tim's neck. I'm going to back this part up to 2. So that after this neck comes down to 12, you build a road. Straight perpendicular splice. This part of the shirt we're going to have Ben on from here at 8. Number 18. The distance from here to here, it's going to be 4 petrol, and the distance down here is also for petrol. Then we're done with the front compartment. This Tim neck you want is soft, then reduce it to 5. And now we're going to move on. Continue, we're up to petrol. Drop here, let me in one. And get out this ass. A gasoline. 1. Here we have the form. Girls. This number is ba, I got the shirt ha. Then continue now. I cut. I cut the red line from the back. The blue is the front. I'm going through the back of my ass. Follow the red line. And then you will. Let's take the waist. Let's get the mark. Let me draw the line on the waist. This will be the next part. My sister for 2. I split it in 2. You draw yourself the vertical. There's 4 petrol along it this way. And down here you get yourself from 14 to 16 depending on your height. Then this part, you take in 3 glasses. That's where we get the back body, which is to pieces. We have from the back here. Then continue with the previous body. The previous body you cut was Tim's neck. Then we cut the road. Hip cake. Is the front towel is the blue line. If we cut it, this will be the first towel. Previously we multiplied 1. And when you cut the pattern, I'll cut this dress for you on the sash. If it's too thin for the part, well, its shape is beautiful. And this tongue. 7 pinch. On the 7th side, you take the wider tongue. The more beautiful I will be. Wide? I'm going to go from 32 to 35. Then, that's when we're done. For the body. Now to the old part. I'll measure my armpits and my hands. I measured it as 21. Armpit ring here. It is equal to 22. 21 and 20 to hectares, and I'll cut off the sleeve. You will find a way. And the road is down here. We'll take the length of the hand. And from here you measure up to me with a segment of the chest. Divide by 10, you add up to the reverse year of 80 divided by 10. For 5, we get 13. I got 13. Then you're going to take a detour. It's going to be about 2.5 inches long, plus 22 is raw 43, and you divide by 2 is 21.5. So this curve of ours is going to be 2.5 hectares. You put it into 1.5. Then we split in 2. we'll draw the hand. Half of these sisters up 2, this half we down 1. And this part of the sleeve, it's going to be the sleeve, so you're going to go straight this way. Withdraw the lower arm. You go straight for me. We're missing paper here. You guys go straight, and we cut across. You'll get the long sleeve part. When you're done, I'll tear it apart and we'll cut it. I put more paper. Let's show you the model. Let's give it a full look. This is my sleeve. When you guys, fortunately, down here, you'll sew it back with the door. Then we'll border the lower arm. With the head up here, we will cut down for the first part of the body. Cut down to a fraction. It belongs to the front hand. This part belongs to the back. Then we look again. This is the sleeve. This is the back body, and this is the front body. I want to talk about how to sew my sisters. First, to sew this shirt, you will sew Ben. And then you're going to cut the neck splint before and after. I often sew to splints together. Next, you're going to put this ridge up here. We may chung. After sewing ribs. After that, you can assemble the hand. Hand part sewing. After sewing the hands, you may pull the breast. Then we close our hands. Then we'll iron it and flip it over. You'll start with the flank at the bottom. We'll sew up the armpit and we'll fold up the arm, so that we will sew the way of life. Then finally go live and complete the ironing. This style is very simple. Wear it very well. I wish my sisters success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.